Such pretty colors, Liv. What color are you doing?
You're doing
pinks? Oh, I like those colors. Now what color?
Orange.
Orange. What color are you doing now?
Purple.
Purple. That's a pretty one. Now what color?
This was supposed to be 20% more brown.
A brown?
Oh. Purple.
I like brown and purple.
Yeah, blue.
Maybe those colors are so pretty. Where's your blue? I don't see your blue. Oh, that's so pretty.
Oh.
That one's, oops. You painted your hair. Whoops. It's okay.